Here is the Raspberry Pi Pico, and now we have the adapter mode. If you look at the adapter mode, you can see LEDs 1 to 3. These are connected to GPIO 18, 19, and 20 on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Let's try controlling these LEDs. I opened the code from last time and I will erase it and write the code again. Board, then file like this, then from drive, in out direction, then read 1, in out, GP18, 2, 3, 19, 20. In the next step, I will proceed to set the parameter 1.direction to the value of direction up 3. Furthermore, I am planning to organize these elements into a structured array format, which will make them significantly easier to manage and control efficiently. Let's use LEDs and LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, then LED in, LEDs. Set the value to initially turn it off, then use a while true loop for each LED. In the output and set LED.value. Turn on the first LED for 1 second, then turn it off and proceed to the next one. Now that we have set up the form, the order will be LED 1, LED 2, and LED 3 in sequence. So, initially, we will keep them off, then turn them on, wait for 1 second, and turn them off. We will do this one by one. First LED 1 will turn on, then LED 2, and finally LED 3. Let's check this out. As you can see now, the colors of LEDs 1, 2, and 3 are all different. Red, slightly orange, and blue. So, they alternate in order 1, 2, 3. This time I controlled the 3 LEDs in adapter mode using CircuitPython. I will briefly come back with another topic next time.